Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Kyocera DuraSport 5G Ultra Wideband for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. It's been a while since Kyocera has released a phone, so here it is, the DuraSport here. This is 5G capable, of course, that's pretty good. It is $579.99, no contracts, it's available in black, and y'all guys want 64 gigabytes of storage, alright? So this is supposed to be, it look like a rugged smartphone, so that is really good. So there's your phone right there in front of you. Yeah. So y'all guys have your teardrop notch or your front facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. I think you guys have a in-display fingerprint sensor, I think. Because of this right here. I'm guessing it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. I guess we'll see. On the, this is the left side of the phone. Yeah. Wait a minute, hold up. Yeah, your volume keys are here. Yeah. Then what the hell is this over here? That might not be nothing. Might be. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm guessing that's your micro SD and SIM card slot right here, I guess. And this is your convenience key. I guess like push to talk or something. I'm not sure what this button does or anything. So I'm guessing your micro SD card and SIM card slot's right here, I guess. Yeah. On the back of the Kyocera DuraSport, you guys have dual camera setup along with your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Kyocera logo, and I don't know what it says down here. So that's an interesting new Verizon logo anywhere. That's pretty interesting. Right side of the phone, like I said, power button, volume keys. Power button right here, volume keys right here. That's front. That's back of it again. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a rugged phone, this one could be one to check out here. So the Kyocera DuraSport is 6.9 inches in height, 2.78 inches in width, 14 days of standby time, 26.3 hours of talk time, 48 megapixel main camera with super night vision, and the 16 megapixel ultra wide view camera. So y'all guys did get dual cameras on the back of the phone. So it says here, meet the Kyocera DuraSport 5G, a rugged yet slim device that will help you power through the day, able to withstand drops, dirt, and the elements, including submersion in water. You can count on DuraSport to be your trusted companion for every adventure. Enjoy all your favorite media on the true to life 6.1 inch full HD plus color display. I'm hoping that's color. I don't know why they had to put color display there, but it is color. Duh. I'm hoping it's color in 2021, right? Never miss a beat with the 4500 mAh battery, lithium polymer all day battery that's built rugged to keep up with you. Whether you are at work or enjoying a day of play, the dual rear cameras allow you to take pictures on the job or capture memories with friends. And with the programmable Google Assistant push to talk button, you can easily ask questions, make calls, send texts, or open apps that you use most often. So you got the left button on the left side of the phone. That is a Google Assistant key. It's also a push to talk button as well. So that's pretty cool. So it's like a dual use button, but you can program it to different things. So that's pretty cool. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband, so if you guys are looking to get a rugged smartphone, the Kyocera DuraSport keep it a phone for you. This would be great if you guys do construction work and stuff like that. This one would be great for that. Says here, made to withstand the elements, design and tested withstand drops, dirt, and the elements, including submersion and water. Plus, DuraSport can be easily cleaned and sanitized to eliminate grit and grime on all your journeys without worry. So that's pretty good. So this is a rugged front, of course. So yeah, a standout display. Experience immersive, vibrant, and true-to-life colors with the scratch-resistant display. The 6.1-inch Full HD Plus display on DuraSport allows you to experience life in full color. I would hope so. Whether you are sharing images of your travels or video chatting on the go. Longer battery life to support your long days. Outlast your longest work days or after hours adventures with an all-day battery. From the office to the trails and beyond, the powerful, durable 4500 mAh battery on DuraSport is suited for life on the go. Capture more moments. The 48 megapixel main camera with super night vision and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens capture stills and videos in almost any condition. Whether you are hiking in the mountains or shooting the views or glazing at the starry night sky. The dual rear camera will capture life's most memorable moments in any conditions, or use multi-camera mode to use both the front and rear cameras at the same time to capture the action and your reaction. So it's pretty cool there. Push, talk, and take charge. Like I said, this would be a good work frame for if you guys do construction and stuff like that. This would be good for that. It says push, talk, and take charge. Customize your DuraSport by programming the side button to fit your needs, whether it's instant access to an frequently used app, one-touch connection to Google Assistant, or up to 250 contacts to push to talk. You can play music. Ask for translation, checking at the office, or instantly access your favorite apps, all with the press of a button. So that is pretty cool. Like I said, this would be a good work frame if you guys do construction. So yeah, that's good for that. You know what I mean? Keeping your health in mind. Compatible with fitness apps and AT Plus wireless sensors for more detailed performance tracking and greater control over your health. Track your workouts, hikes, and more with the DuraSport 5G's advanced fitness tracking capabilities. So that is pretty cool. So that's a cool feature. So specs on this thing, it's not terrible, but like I said, this is a mid-range ish phone here. It's like $579 or whatever. But this is meant to be used for like a work phone. You know, this is not meant to be used as like a power user phone. I guess you could do it if you guys want to, but it has an, I don't know what the fuck that E word is. I don't even know. I don't even care. But it has like grip on the side. It has like it's like a, I guess like a rubber grip on the outside of it, so it's like rubberish, I guess. It's kinda hard to explain. I guess so it's easier to grip the phone, so that's good. It's available in black. Weight 6.52 ounces, so a bit hefty, you know, of course, you know, it's not too bad though. The depth is 0.39 inches. The width is 2.78 inches. Height 6.9 inches. So yeah, it's a rugged, sleek, and stylish Android phone, of course, Full HD plus IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with Corning Golden Glass 6, so that's very good. 20:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz adaptive refresh rate, so 60 Hz refresh rate. It's your standard refresh rate. It's it's nothing special. So to keep it in mind, 6.1-inch display. Power share, no. Wireless charging, it does have wireless charging. Fast charge, 4,500 mAh battery, 14 days of standby time, 26.3 hours of usage time. Non-removable lithium polymer battery. Wi-Fi connections are 8 to 11 ABGN and AC, MCI, R and K, dual band Wi-Fi there. Sorry rating, it's a rural device. There's a global and normal networks, 4G, 5G of course, restricted in Alaska. The fuck is that? I don't understand. That makes no sense. Like, why would you even not put that? Why would you even put that? Like, restricted in Alaska? Like, really? What the hell? It does have push to talk. It has audio, music. It has a single front firing earpiece, loudspeaker. So I guess you get one speaker, and that is your earpiece. It does have the wireless emergency alerts on there. HC voice with Wi-Fi calling. HC voice with video calling. Yes. It has CDMA less or network video 1080p HD. Camera 48 megapixel. Main camera with super night vision 16 megapixel. Ultra wide camera 8 megapixel front facing camera with facial recognition. You do get that as well. You do get micro SD card expansion up to 1 terabyte, 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Android 11 Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 processor, which is a 5G processor. Hotspot up to 10 devices 4G and up to 10 devices 5G. Fingerprint, you do get fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Bluetooth 5.1 low energy, Google Assistant and whatnot. So yeah, if you guys want a rugged phone, the Kyocera DuraSport is the phone for you. Like I said, this would be great for like if you do construction work and stuff like that. This one's great for that. If you guys need help with your Kyocera DuraSport, Verizon has you covered with that with device support, which is a great tool. So it's a Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So device support is a great tool to have. So check it out if you guys ever need help learning how to set up your email, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, stuff like that. It's a great tool to have. So yeah, so what comes in the box, guys, is a Kyocera DuraSport 5G prepaid smartphone, USB-C cable, non-removable lithium polymer battery, your documentation and stuff like that, like your terms and conditions, stuff like that. And you get an AC adapter, which is your charging brick. You do get that, so pretty nice. You also get SM pen as well in that. I believe you do. I don't know why they don't have it listed here, but whatever. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a rugged smartphone on prepaid but don't want to have contracts, the Kyocera DuraSport is the phone for you. It's available now. It is $579.99, which yeah, I mean, it's a bit more hefty for this price point in terms of specs and whatnot, but the specs in here are decent. I mean, this is used for, this is great for like a work phone or whatever. So yeah, the specs on it are okay, I guess. The price is a bit too much, but you do get extra features like fast charging, wireless charging. Get the fucking you do get some fitness tracking things on here as well, so pretty cool. You do get push to talk on here, so I guess you can justify the price a little bit, but I think the price is a bit too high in terms of like specs and stuff like that. If it was like maybe $379 or something like that, then maybe, I guess. But $580 for this phone. But if you guys want a phone for like work and stuff like that, this is the phone for this is the phone. If you guys want a rugged frame but don't want to deal with contrast and stuff like that, this is fun to check out. Like I said, this would be great if you guys do construction work and stuff like that. If you guys, work outside and whatnot. The push to talk feature is great for that. So, yeah. So, there you guys have it. The Kyocera DuraSport 5G Ultra Wideband, now available at Verizon Prepaid. It's $579.99. No contrast. I think the price is a bit steep. But, yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.